There are various ways that you can assign costs to a project, and one of them here we have is enter timesheet for week. We can select our resource that we want to log the timesheet for. We assign the project that we want to have these costs associated with, and we put the number of hours per day that was assigned to that. You can see here that we've got a charge of basic and standard, as we used those abbreviations earlier when we were discussing the setup, and if you're allowed to see the charge rate based on that basic and standard. We can have as many projects associated with this person, so it's not necessarily that they will be working on one project. And what we go through is a various workflow here. They're at draft stage at the moment. We can save them, and what we can do then is you can see that these have turned to blue as the workflow is indicated, and what we can do next is submit them. It's warning us here that the number of units entered does not match the expected for the resource. Are you sure you wish to continue? So we may have this contract person on a number of hours, so it's warning us they've overworked. That's fine. The next stage is to authorize these and to post them into the project. Another cost that can be associated with the project is a claim, expense claim. So again, we set the date of the expense claim, we assign the project that we were looking at, the item that is on the project, the expense category. So again, these are all part of our setup. And we put in the number of miles or kilometers, and it will calculate the rate on this. Again, we'll go through various workflow. We can save this, we can submit it, and then we can authorize and post it to the project. If we look back at some of the other modules just to show the true integration, if we pop in either to the purchase order or to the purchase invoice module, you will see here we can select a supplier, and in here likewise we have our project codes and project items that we can post again. Likewise, if we go into the sales order processing, we can look back on our list here. If we look at the full order entry, select our customer, we'll just add our item, and you can see again here we've got the project analysis that we can post to. So all of the cost transactions that we have there, you can see that they can come from various modules, and likewise again for the billing.